This is how to watch TikTok without having an account. We're gonna go ahead and open up any browser of our choice. For this example, I will use Safari. Once you open it up, we're gonna go to search and look up TikTok. Once you're here, press on the first option that says TikTok Make Your Day. And here it will say, get the full experience, enjoy more videos and great features on the app. You can either open TikTok, which open the App Store and ask for you to download TikTok, or press on Not Now. We're gonna go and press on Not Now for this example. And as you can see here, I can scroll through on TikTok like so. And if we go on the bottom right here to a profile, you can see I have no account connected to it. So just being here on the browser and scrolling TikTok is a good way to use TikTok without having an account. But at any time, if you'd prefer not to use the browser and just use the app, which is a lot easier, at the bottom here, we're going to press on open. It's going to ask to open it TikTok in the App Store. It's going to redirect you here, and it's going to ask you to update and install the TikTok app. That is how to go on TikTok without using an account.